Well, the air conditioning's fixed, guys, and they've done a good job. It's freezing.
Hi guys, why wouldn't you want to come to Thailand? Huh? Look at this. Awesome. Come visit.
So, the air conditioning was fixed. The total price was about £85, which for a condenser radiator, which was 1,400 baht, also 1,025, £36 for the condenser, and he charged me 1,800 to fix it, which is 1,000 baht is about 25 quid ish. 800 baht is 20 quid, so it's about 45, about £50 to fix it. And when I looked on a video on YouTube about these cars, you have to take the whole dashboard off to put the condenser radiator, because it's on the left hand side right at the back. He said he'd modify, and I think they cut a little bit of part of the dash out, but he fixed it without taking all the dashboard out. I wish really I'd have videoed it, because I could have put that up on YouTube and save people a lot of time. And overall it took him 4 hours to do. Ice cold, and Penelope is nice and cold now, and she's looking good. Let's take a look at her, shall we? She's a great car for 16 years old. Good morning, guys. We got the AC guys here this morning, recommended by Ning next door, and they're cleaning all the AC out, all the condenser units there. These are the guys. 500 baht per unit, 1,000 baht, which is 25 quid to have 2 air conditioning units cleaned out. And they use a very, very light pressure washer, just like a mystery, to clean all the fins out of it. So that's all done. This one working great. Morning, guys. We're going out for coffee this morning with Toe and Cyril. So let's get in this car. We're in the car, boys. We're going for coffee. Cafe. See you later. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, just a quick snapshot of what we done on Saturday morning for a coffee, and also the AC being repaired and cleaned. So all good, guys. So again, thanks very much to all my subscribers out there in YouTube land. Really appreciate you're taking the time to watch my channel. So give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down. Please take the time and consider subscribing to our journey here. And so, stay safe people. Bye.